Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am playing Fappy Bird. Fappy actually. I thought it was Flappy. So if you haven't known that Flappy Bird is cancelled because the guy got rich, as I heard, and yeah, so this is, I don't know, some person's Flappy Bird, and this someone told me about the game, and the person who told me about the game was his name was William. Yeah, so William said this. Leave this. I hate when that says. 1 second. Why is this saying this? Yeah, open. Yeah, so let's restart that again. Yeah. So yeah, I want to play the game, and yeah, I hate this game because it gets you so angry. I'm actually bad at this game, so what the? What's wrong with you, Flappy Bird? Woo! If you could hear me, that's I'm stopping my own stuff. I hate this game. I actually do. I had the real one, but if you had the real one back then you will still have it. Oh my god. It's either I'm bad or either I hate this game. It's not meant for me. What is wrong with you? I hate the ads. No, 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 no. I also played PVZ, and if you guys have anything that I should play for Android, because I'm playing on my Android, please tell me so, and that would be pretty appreciated. And if it's not for Android, then just don't tell me. New I scored, and on the right hand side, you could see that is an M. That's how I record. If you haven't seen my tutorial, when I actually do make it, then you will know the tutorial.
Your empire is how the world will remember you. It's where your dreams come to.
Believe that? I don't want to dream. So yeah, it's such a sunny day today. What a good day today. Oh, you can actually die like that? I didn't know that. What a sunny day it is. He changed his color if you haven't noticed that. Oh, I'm gonna throw my phone. If I do, no. If I fail this in the under 3 turns, then I am gonna throw the phone. Starting from now. That's my first turn. So it won't be my high score for the second one. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, it's still 2. Boring. It's not gonna be too long because I really hate this game, and I don't want to get angry and how people call it rage. So yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Your empire is how the world will
I really do
remember
hate
you.
this house.
It's where your dreams come to life.
Me opening the door. I'm actually outside right now, playing. It's a sunny day, so I just thought playing. But if I fail this, I'm ending the video. This turn. If I fail, and I'm not doing this on purpose, I'm actually trying to win. Okay, so that basically wraps us. No, yes, it wraps us our video right here. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you tell me some stuff. And if you want me to if you want to know my GT, it will be in the description down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I will do more Flappy Bird. This was just an epic fail today. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Blah, blah, blah. Bye.